Last week at the U, the annual homecoming event was a knockout win. Students finally got their chance to express their pride. They definitely brought the beat back. Don't miss out. Next week is Diversity Week, November 14th through the 17th. Here's a sneak peek.
Hi, I'm Navia and I'm from India. Brazil.
I'm from Dallas, Texas.
I'm Cuban and Colombian.
I'm from Miami, Florida.
And I'm Haitian.
Cuba.
I'm from China.
This month, we celebrate Native American heritage. Here are some students talking about their culture.
We're important even if we're not a very big presence on campus. And then second, it's the opportunity to share my culture and my background with people that may not understand or may have a limited understanding of what it means to be Native American and the misconceptions that often come with being Native American.
Growing up, I've gotten to experience many different events for our culture, such as the powwows, where we all come together from across the country, or just specific tribes to come dance, show off cultural dances, artwork, etc. There's the fall festivals in October, where again, we come together and just celebrate and reminisce on our history and the future.